morning, Highland. I'm Christina Strang.
I'm Haley Slack. And I'm Kat Kogan.
And today is Monday, November 12th. Here's the pledge.
Good morning, Highland. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated.
The Veterans Day Assembly is today. Let's go take a look at that schedule. University of Montana will be here tomorrow during 5th hour. Sign up in the CCA office. Juniors and seniors can attend.
The annual food drive is still going on this week and it ends on the 16th. Let's turn the time over to Destiny and Caitlin for more information.
What's up, Highland? I'm Destiny McKee.
And I'm Caitlin Roush.
And we're here to talk to you about the canned food drive. Right here. All right, guys, so the canned food drive runs through November 5th through the 16th.
Okay, guys, so for seniors, you're going to take your cans to Fleshman in B4, Jenks in B22, and McCarthy in B1. And then for you sophomores, we're going to take it to Thompson, B66, Homer, B64, Hopwood, C40, and then Holtzen in B15.
Juniors, you are going to take it to Goddard in Mr. Smith in C28, and Mrs. Smith in B13. Also, with Mrs. Smith, if you donate 10 cans, you get a free raffle ticket. And if you win the raffle, you get her parking spot right in front of the school for a week. So if you donate 10 cans, take them into her, and she will get you that raffle ticket. And Windward in E54. And freshmen, you go to Dimmick in B23, Berger in B5, Sorrell in B68, Long in B19, and Roberts in B17. So make sure that you guys go donate. The class that has the most donated will get a special prize. It's for a really good cause, and you can really help out a lot of people.
Bye, guys. Are you serious?
Bye.
I don't know how you think that was funny.
Go see Velda Smith in her room B13. Every 10 cans you donate, she'll give you a raffle ticket, and you can try and win her parking spot, which is right out front. Drama's production, Urinetown, has gotten some great reviews.
Well, hello there. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you guys about Highland's fall musical production, Urinetown.
Urinetown? What's he talking about, Officer Lockstock?
Well, little Sally, he's referring to Urinetown, the cult classic Broadway musical. That's what Highland is performing for their fall music this year.
Excuse me? Are you?
Is that really the title, Officer Lockstock? Urinetown?
Yes, it is.
Where's that music coming from?
That doesn't seem like a very good title to me, Officer Lockstock.
It isn't, little Sally, but it's a very good show, and you should know, since we're both in it.
I'm gonna go.
How much are tickets, Officer Lockstock?
They're only $5 with a student ID, little Sally.
$495, just a few more.
Well, we've talked on long enough, I imagine. Come see Urinetown. Performances on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Monday at 7:30.
For second trimester schedule changes, you can go this week and on the first day of finals, before school or at lunch. You can also go on record day from 8:30 a.m. to noon, so make sure you go do that.
The Idaho High School Activity Association has had tickets online. They're available for the playoff. The link's right here, my dudes. Go make sure you buy those tickets and go for the big matchups.
Boys basketball tryouts are November 12th and 13th in the big gym. Here's a flyer for that.
So, Coach, we heard that we have the boys basketball tryouts. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, coming up this coming Monday, the 12th of November. The freshmen will be at 4 o'clock, and the JV and varsity will follow at 6 o'clock. Well, yeah, we'll also go on Tuesday if you can make it through Monday's tryout.
All right, can you tell us where that would be?
That'll be in the main gym.
So. You heard it here.
That was no flyer. That was Coach Pearson. Thanks, Coach. You're the boss.
Sign-ups for high school bowling are November 13th and 14th. Everyone makes the team. It starts November 19th and 20th. It is held every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The cost is $60 or $40 if you have a current USB-C card. I need to go do that because I suck at bowling. If I can make the team, that's great.
Early college information night is November 14th. That is at 5:30 p.m. Go and check that out at the Student Union Building, also known as the Pond.
The Gaming Bash for winter 2018 is this Friday, November 16th, from 6 to 9:30 p.m. in room C40.
Also, please note that there won't be any video games in Mr. Hopwood's classroom next week during finals. Sorry, guys.
Idaho Appreciation Night is on Saturday, November 17th. All high school students within the entire state of Idaho are invited. It is $5 per student with an activity card. Pizza will be provided in the McCain Student Union Building at 5 p.m. and tip-off begins at 7 p.m.
That pizza, though.
Pizza's good.
Okay. To reserve a spot for Idaho Appreciation Night, go to this link right here, guys, right somewhere.
Here's today's RamTV Sports.
See ya. Okay, Highland, for today's sports, we have the Veterans Day Assembly. Boys, freshman, JV, and varsity basketball tryouts are today. Freshmen are 4 to 5:45, and JV and varsity are 6 to 7:45. Drama has their fall musical today, and also the cabaret has rehearsal. So, that's your sports. Bye.
And here's today's lunch.
What's up, guys? It's me, Emily.
And Cherish.
And we're going to do your lunch for today. Okay. In the main line, there's going to be roasted chicken, potatoes and gravy, roll and butter, and corn with butter.
In the fast food line, there is pepperoni and cheese pizza, cheeseburger and calzone with sun chips and Cheetos.
And in the deli line, there's spicy chicken, quesadilla, and cilantro lime rice. So, yeah, go get your lunch.
I want some pizza. Thanks, Emily and Cherish.
Thank you.
You guys are the best. Now, it's time for something random.
Let's find out who this unicorn really is under that mask. I knew it! It was the brown horse the whole time!
I like the random thought.
It wasn't bad.
And now, time for the Decade Thought with James.
My favorite food and band is Lemonheads.
Email us before second hour at highlandramtv@gmail.com if you want any announcements on air.
Go click that subscribe button and little notification bell. You get notified when we post every single time. If you don't forget to check out our second channel, RamTube, we post openers, closers, and just great videos.
Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook under Highland RamTV.
Thanks for spending time with us here on RamTV. I'm Kat Kogan.
I'm Haley Slack.
And I'm Christina Strang.
Bye. Have a great day, guys.
Bye, guys.
Can we do that?